Wow, there's a lot of floral. Imagine going into a florist shop without the funeral lilies, and that type of aroma. That is what we're getting right there. But it's definitely not overpowering. But it's a nice lilt, as I would say, to the aromatics. Let's see what the taste buds have to say about that. This is a nice bodied beer. It's not full or buxom, but it's got a nice feel to it. There's a little bit more of a roasted grain to this. I've noticed that a lot of the IPAs and the pale ales, the malt is more there for the dextrin, for the mouthfeel, than it is for the flavor of any type of roasty or toasty or bready type of thing. But this does. This has a little bit of a bready, a bakery type of a flavor to it, yeasty, but the real folks that are enjoying the dance here are the hops, and they're showing off, that's for sure. So does Lagunitas IPA India Pale Ale meet expectations? It certainly does. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. A thumbs up would be great, share us with your friends, and a comment would be really appreciated. I'm Pete LaFrance, the Old Growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations.